What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, a hidden novelty, will make users happy. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a Qualcomm chipset, probably a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which will replace the Exynos SoCs produced by the South Korean giant. However, the chipset is not the only Qualcomm technology Samsung could rely on. On the contrary, another core component of the Galaxy S23 Ultra will also be manufactured by the San Diego company. We are talking about the Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint sensor, a real new generation biometric sensor capable of performing high-speed and high-precision scans of users' fingerprints. The sensor was actually unveiled months ago, but so far it has never been implemented on smartphones for sale on the global market. Actually, at the moment the sensor is used on Vivo X80 Pro and iQOO 9 Pro, both smartphones produced by Vivo. The international debut of the sensor, on the other hand, should take place with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, at least according to what was reported by tipster Alvin on Twitter. You can take a look at Qualcomm's 3D Sonic Max sensor in the image at the bottom of this news. The San Diego company explained that the size of the scanner is 600 square millimeters, the largest on the market, thus ensuring a large scanning area, which in fact encompasses almost the entire bottom of half the screen of an average smartphone. Unfortunately, the sensor has been used by very few brands so far due to its high production costs, which do not seem to be a problem for Samsung. According to the latest news, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra can be used the ISOCELL HP2 sensor. The new Galaxy S23 Ultra will be equipped with an unreleased ISOCELL HP2 sensor. This news was also confirmed by a famous insider on his Twitter profile page named Ice Universe, that the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel sensor is an unreleased ISOCELL HP2. And it is almost 100% sure, while the Samsung Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will still be using a 108 megapixel camera sensor. Samsung usually equips the Galaxy S series devices with the latest processor. It is likely that Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 generation. This processor is expected to launch in November this year. Samsung may be working on a new stacked battery designed to increase density and reduce battery size. It is also rumored that the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to have a battery capacity of 5500 mAh or more. The Galaxy S23 Plus has a 5000 mAh battery, and the standard Galaxy S23 model has a 4500 mAh battery with even more faster charging speed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.